Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Radical Measures Podcast, episode 17.
17.
Now, you can definitely see that my face is pixelated. I am wearing sunglasses,
Yes.
and it's for a reason.
Yeah.
We'll be speaking about very sensitive topics, and I want my identity to be.
Kept closed.
Because
Not
I
shown
am
to
telling you,
anyone.
man, I have come across some shocking news. You won't believe it.
When I hear the news, will my face also get pixelated?
Everybody's face is pixelated. Everybody's brains are pixelated as far as this news is concerned.
Huh.
Because, oh my God, the unthinkable has happened.
Huh.
The unfathomable.
Oh my god.
Your imagination will not be able to comprehend
Oh,
the news that I'm about to tell you.
spit it out.
A teenager did drugs. Yeah, dude. Unheard. Unheard of. How can it even?
How can he go do something illegal?
A teenager thought he would have fun.
Oh god, and escape reality?
And it's not even that sort of a teenager drug addict who would steal
हाँ.
and और खुद का ही पैसा से
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब पैसा
Yeah.
है chill,
He
chill
has
पैसा
drug
है.
money.
Yes.
Huh.
And he decided to spend it
Huh.
on a cruise, on
Yeah.
a boat,
Hmm.
while going to Goa.
Yeah. That's a plan. That's a teenager who knows what he wants.
Just to clarify, Goa has been known as a destination where people dabble since Devanand. Devanand.
Yeah.
Devanand and Zinat Aman clarified, yes, come here.
Huh.
And he was following Devanand's advice and
Yeah.
going to Goa.
Following elders' advices, you have to.
And the biggest problem
Huh.
with this whole scenario,
Huh.
okay, is that this is not a normal teenager. Oh, no, sir. This
Who is
teenager
this?
is that sort of a teenager that we have pixelated our faces for it.
Yeah.
This teenager is one of the most famous kids.
Huh. For no reason he's famous, but he's famous. Huh.
He's famous for being born in a family.
That has a famous person.
Yeah. Big celebrity.
Yes.
Big Bollywood.
Huh.
I'm speaking about movie star.
Yeah.
Movie star child.
You expect it from them only, no?
Have you not heard about this happening before? A movie star child thinking he'll have a good time
Yeah.
and do drugs.
Yeah.
I have heard and seen many examples of star kids doing drugs and then things ending terribly.
Huh.
You know, accident, guns. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
Getting late to work and shit like that.
You have that happening in terms of Sanju Baba and Salman Khan. These words have been beeped.
Yes.
I have told my producer to beep these words because we do not want to be sued by any of these words. Yes, you can fill in the blanks.
Yes.
All right. Now, as I was saying, that ended horribly.
Yeah.
In accidents, people dying.
Mm-hmm.
Here, it looked like he was just having fun. We are speaking about Aryan Khan.
No, now we'll make sure it ends horribly. that
Yeah,
is what society is doing.
Yeah, because we are speaking about Aryan Khan, right?
Yeah.
Shah Rukh's son. And there's enough of suspense as if it's going
Yeah,
to
yeah,
work.
yeah. No.
And this kid was going along with a couple of his other friends. First of all, he's Shah Rukh's son.
Huh.
And chances are he saw Shah Rukh's last movie.
Yeah.
And he was,
Bus. There's like just another few years
on,
that is going to
Dad.
work.
come on, dad.
Better have as much fun as I can right now. Dad ka time khatam ho gaya hai.
No, and not only that, he's also thinking about the fact that he's a star kid.
Yeah.
All the money in the world.
Huh.
He has all the comfort.
Huh.
And he has the exclusivity.
Yeah.
Not only that, he does not have problems sourcing it.
Yeah.
You know, like people would be. I could imagine drug peddlers fighting each other. नहीं मैं देगा मैं
Like
देगा अरे तू
when
नहीं तेरा
Shahrukh-
नहीं ये
When
DDL
Shahrukh, no. When Shahrukh gets out in his Mannat balcony and there's a full crowd, there
Yeah.
are people with posters. I love Shahrukh. There's one guy with a poster. Best deal here.
yeah exactly.
And Aryan is like, call 9.
There might be like dealers who are like DDLJ was my favorite film. You cannot give him bad stuff. Okay, I'm going to be giving him good stuff. He deserves it. That movie.
Shahrukh needs to focus on the next movie. He can't be worried that his son is having a bad trip. We can't do that.
And so many titles
Huh.
merge so well with drug abuse. If you just see Shah Rukh's movies, okay, So many titles. Kal ho na ho.
हाँ.
You know?
Oh, dude.
Enjoy the moment now only.
One guy is coming to Aryan and is being like, ये देखिए सर, ये special drug है for all the times you feel alone. मैं हूँ ना.
Chennai Express sounds like a strain.
Yeah.
Okay. Like Pineapple Express.
Yes.
Chennai Express. You know, that sounds like a name. What other movie title? What other Shah Rukh movie title do you know?
Dude.
कुछ होता है. कुछ होता है. It's again a drug thing. Of course, that is why people do drugs.
Om Shanti Om.
Om Shanti
Om Shanti Om. The perfect downer.
The evidence has always been there.
Yes.
And I, as a well-known investigative journalist, have dived deep
You have uncovered.
into the ocean of internet.
You have unpeeled things.
Yes.
Oh wait, peeled things.
Yeah. I think I've just clicked on things.
Yeah.
That is better.
Opened multiple tabs.
Peeling, unpeeling, you can do, not do. That is what Indian public do
Yes,
anyway.
yes, yes.
इसके लिए मीडिया पागल हो गया ना.
हाँ.
Hey, कैसा? Oh my
हाँ.
God! You
तो
mean to
घुसने
say a Bollywood hero who is an actor and acts like he's a moral person
हाँ.
can
His
have a
son?
moment of weakness?
A
human
He's
moment?
human? How dare you be like the common man?
You are doing teenager things as a teenager. How dare you?
Oh my God.
Being Shah Rukh's son, you have to be a straight arrow. You
Look at him.
cannot make mistakes.
He marries all the women he loves in his movies. How dare you do drugs?
Okay, that leap.
That's how people are looking at.
That's how people are looking at. That's how Noel is looking at it as well. Okay, but people are
If
losing
you
it.
do drugs, my love story is a lie.
And they are basically reporting on Aryan Khan,
Yeah.
a youngster, a teenager,
Huh.
having drugs in such a manner that he's the only
person,
Indian in the country
Yeah.
to be caught with drugs. Like, what? How? Matlab, he got it in this.
Oh shit.
He's also involved in
Oh
this.
my God.
How deep does this go? People are losing it.
They've got Shah Rukh.
And
They've got
all
Shah
of
Rukh's
this,
son.
and all of this judgment while drinking their 5th peg of whiskey at
Yeah,
home
yeah, yeah.
and shouting at
While
every
having
family
their
member.
own
Like,
nasha.
every family member पे चकना नहीं लेके आप भोसड़ी just shouting like that, and at the same time क्या ना ये लोग का मतलब मेरे को मालूम था.
हाँ.
You know how many people like it's
Good, we are not Shah Rukh.
the common public
हाँ.
has just reacted it, you know, in what manner? Huh. Okay. So who's shocked?
Yeah.
Why are you shocked? Like people do things to escape reality.
Yeah.
You know,
It's just
not
budget
new.
का फर्क है dude.
हाँ.
मतलब
बजट थोड़ा ज्यादा
हाँ
है.
मेरा बच्चे लोग ड्रग्स नहीं करेगा क्योंकि मैं पॉकेट मनी उतना देता नहीं हूँ उन लोगों को. ठीक है, मैं सस्ता दारू पीता क्योंकि नहीं है पैसा महंगा दारू के लिए. That is how it is for
And
people.
the point of having money is that, na, the
हाँ.
perks of being rich is that you are able to afford the best of everything.
हाँ.
That includes,
Yeah, drugs.
and I think he would be smoking the most or whatever, however he ingested or not.
हाँ, who knows?
Why are we
Allegedly, he must be
Yes.
enjoying
Allegedly,
the best strain of weed.
allegedly,
हाँ.
if he has ingested, then it was that.
हाँ.
No, but people were replaying that.
हाँ. Oh, look at him. Look at this boy.
They were showing clippings.
Yeah, look at this boy. Look at his eyes.
Yeah, and now
Look at
they
how
are,
he is.
and now they are putting him in remand.
हाँ.
And the problem is, this is where fame
Huh.
turns on you.
Yeah.
Because see, fame is such a thing that you want all the time. Both of us want to be a bit
True,
well known.
true.
That's why we are doing this
Yeah.
podcast.
Partly
you know,
now
कि-
faces didn't got unpixelated because of that reason.
It's because we are not famous,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
nobody would actually give a
Yeah,
shit. But we want to be famous. That's the whole point. We want our audience. We want to build our audience. But then the double-edged sword of
Yeah.
fame is that when you are caught in that corner, oh, everybody is looking at you. Everybody is like, हाँ, तू. Everybody points.
मेरे को मालूम था तू परफेक्ट नहीं था. मेरे को मालूम था कि जो चीज को तू शूट एडिट करके मेरे सामने रखा वो असली नहीं था. हाँ, नहीं था असली.
Just to put it in even more perspective,
हाँ.
if I have to explain something about something my brother did,
हाँ.
I'll have to still give you more info.
हाँ.
My younger brother,
हाँ.
chef, he
हाँ.
ended up stabbing the person he worked with. Not he didn't. Hypothetical, okay.
हाँ.
हाँ. So I'll have to explain.
हाँ.
Shah Rukh is so famous. All I have to tell you, Shah Rukh's son
हाँ.
and that is it. अरे शाहरुख का बच्चा बच्चा. It's okay. It's fine. You know, it's not like he has just gone for it in such a manner that he's driven and run over people, or he has harmed other people in any way.
हाँ, he was having, dude, वो even the list of drugs he was taking were like, ठीक है, he wanted, it was like different channels.
Yeah,
and enjoy करने के लिए
And
कुछ कर
it's
रहा
not
था.
a new phenomena, but it's being mentioned like that because he's famous. Aryan Khan, without being in a movie,
हाँ,
has millions of followers.
हाँ.
He has done nothing
No one knows what his voice sounds like.
apart from existing. He probably did that Incredibles ka voiceover with his father. Yeah, I
Oh,
remember
that
that.
one.
Yeah, Shah Rukh
He
and
had
his
done
son,
that.
they did
हाँ,
Incredibles
तो
के लिए
उसका बचपन
voiceover.
का वॉइस है वो, जो किसी को आइडिया नहीं है. No one knows what he does.
Exactly, but otherwise he hasn't done anything of.
No. He just failed in his exams at best.
Yeah.
That's it.
So he was going through child things like
Huh.
schooling, now going to college.
Huh.
His sister is studying abroad. He's trying
Yeah.
to chill out, have
And
a good evening.
उसको शाहरुख का बेटा, उसको फेविकॉल नहीं जमता है.
हाँ.
नहीं जमता है. अपना
उसका-
कितना पब्लिक है जो
उसका
फेविकॉल
standard
व्हाइटनर
है.
सूंघता था
अरे
बचपन में.
कितना मतलब, oh my god.
Dude, एक बंदा मेरे को याद है क्रिकेट विकेट खेलता था, वो बोलता था अरे मेरा पूरा टीम का पब्लिक वो लोग सूंघते हैं फिर बाद में 6 मारता है. There is performance enhancing drug in inter school
In
cricket.
interest and Fevicol. Imagine this is the sort of
No chip chip, no jig jig. Gone.
your anxiety is out. You and performance
Together.
together. I had heard of people using Iodex and putting
What?
it on bread. Yeah. So that's a cheap way of, you know,
And
kids
ingesting it.
eating. बटर की तरह आयोडेक्स ब्रेड पे लगा के खाता पाव. आयोडेक्स पाव खाता है.
दिल का दर्द दुख करने के दूर करने के
And how you come to know कि you see sores?
हाँ.
Because of course the most
course,
sensitive part of your skin
Is your-
lip
हाँ.
skin is sensitive, no?
True, हाँ.
Because it's mouth, like you
हाँ.
hot, cold, temperature sensitive, very
हाँ.
sensitive.
हाँ.
Epidermis,
Hmm.
epidermis. अरे, and then you put no epidermis ही बोलता है ना
ये
skin को.
पार्ट बोलता है, इधर का कुछ अलग है.
It's skin only ना though, like for the.
Okay, go ahead. It's fine.
But point
Science,
is-
dude. Fuck it. Fuck science.
the point is the most is where you're putting Iodex, which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
relaxing, like it warms.
हाँ.
तू हेडेक वगैरह होएगा, स्प्रेन होएगा तो तू आयोडेक्स, मोच आएगा तो तू
हाँ,
आयोडेक्स
वो लोग बोला है प्लीज अंदर प्लीज खाओ मत. वो लोग लिखा है उस पे डोंट इंजेस्ट, ओनली फॉर एक्सटर्नल यूज
इवन द
वगैरह.
स्मेल इज नॉट कि अरे
हाँ.
खाएगा तो मजा आएगा.
हाँ, no. There's nothing about Iodex says.
But they do it. And drugs are, see, I of course stand by the idea of legalizing some drugs. Again, the reason why we want our faces to be pixelated.
Yeah.
But some drugs.
So
okay.
we're just toggling between pixel and
Yeah.
non-pixel now at this point.
And we need to look at now marijuana, for example, has been legalized in the United States, in Europe, in a couple of
जगह
places.
पे,
Not
हाँ.
only that, it has been used to treat people with epilepsy,
Yeah.
seizures,
Anxiety के लिए,
anxiety,
cancer also
Parkinson's,
to an extent.
a lot of neurological
Neurological stuff, yeah.
issues. CBD is being utilized to treat anxiety. Ketamine is being used for PTSD. People coming back from Afghanistan,
Yeah.
from Iraq, they are suffering from PTSD. So they are psychologists and psychiatrists are prescribing ketamine doses. Where you can come to the clinic and under the watchful eye of a doctor, undergo your medication like you do for other sicknesses anyway.
Yeah. Dose होता है उसका.
Exactly. It's just that it has been demonized at a particular point of time, and because it's illegal, a lot of horrible stuff goes into it.
Yeah.
A lot of cutting happens. There's no purity. ऐसा
True.
कुछ ये नहीं रहता है.
Standard
And-
है ना, QC नहीं है. हाँ.
Exactly. But it is still a big it's not even underground. I hate calling the drug scene
हाँ.
underground because it's so big in volume. It's so big in volume. You've seen Narcos.
Yeah.
Pablo Escobar made so much out of
It's the
cocaine.
most ignored thing. Like लोग बोलते हैं नहीं है ये नहीं है. Like we
मगर
just don't
है.
want to, पर है. Like it's the
और
one thing जो हम
ऐसा
लोग बोलते हैं
3-4
नहीं है.
पब्लिक करेगा तो थोड़ी इतना बड़ा रहेगा.
हाँ.
बहुत लोग करता है.
Profitable business है dude. Volume में ही होता है profit dude.
मतलब बहुत लोग करता है ये.
हाँ.
Now for example, marijuana, it's like a quasi legal thing.
हाँ.
Like if you go to Rajasthan, you can go to a government licensed
Yeah.
shop and buy bhang cookies or
Yeah.
drink bhang, which is again a hallucinogenic.
Every song about Holi and whatnot has got कि
We
हाँ,
have a
hero,
festival
heroine,
around
yeah.
it, man. Come on, we have a festival.
Yeah.
We celebrate and dance, and what's the outcome
That's
of
our 420.
and exactly that is Holi is our 420 dude. And what is the outcome of that? Like 420 people go out in parks and chill. Here people go out, play with colors,
Yeah.
dance.
The world
throw
becomes a
water,
canvas.
throw water on each other. Of course, there are some retards who don't smoke up and throw anda and whatnot.
that
But normally, what is Holi? The chill part is that eating food afterwards, rasmalai. Oh my God, can you even imagine?
Just going
Just-
crazy with food.
You've had bhang and then you're eating rasmalai. Oh my God. You're floating in heaven, man. You're floating in heaven. But this is also...
Abhi garmi chalega. Like that's where you go.
We are, of course, as investigative journalists, just recounting things we have heard.
Haan.
You know,
These are just, what is that? Testimonies.
yes,
That we have
testimonies,
found on Quora.
quotations. But it is still the truth.
Yeah.
When you go to Kumbh Mela, I have Nasik mein Kumbh Mela lagta hai.
Yeah.
Maybe there is, you go through the Mela, all sadhu sants, they all come down, okay? And it's mad because millions of people, huh?
Yeah.
Noel, imagine millions of saints and visitors all in one place. They're all coming every day for aartis, and as you walk through na, you can just smell it in the air.
Haan.
Every sadhu or somebody is sitting with a chillam, and then you will see a well-known politician or an actor or somebody coming to meet that very same sadhu and ask, what is going to happen in my life? Please tell me, is this going to work out or not?
Oh dude, वो एक कोविड जब जस्ट चालू हुआ था तभी एक वीडियो वायरल हुआ था और 4 sadhus sitting with 6 feet
Yes.
each other sharing a chillam, but they've tied the chillam to the fan
rope,
and
so
they
they are
are throwing it.
They are
So इतना
making it-
important है dude for culture and whatnot.
And it's been a part. Why not just look at legalizing it? And even if that is the case, the media is so, because of fame, it has backfired so much.
Yeah.
Because he's Shah Rukh's son. Because just a couple of days before
Yes.
this Aryan Khan thing happened,
हाँ.
guess what I read in the news? Just to compare the scale of crime.
हाँ.
Scale of crime to media coverage ratio should be proper, na?
हाँ.
Now, Aryan Khan ka scale of crime छोटू सा है 6 grams
बराबर.
of
Or whatever.
charas or
उसको
whatever, how much
मिला
ever.
था,
It was a small quantity.
हाँ.
It wasn't like, you know, a lot, a huge quantity.
Yeah.
Like for distribution. It was
हाँ,
meant
you
for
can
personal
personal use,
consumption.
हाँ.
That much quantity they had.
He's the end user.
Yeah, he's the end user. He's the last of that
Last
chain.
guy, हाँ.
Last guy of the chain. He's going to be consuming it. Personal consumption 6 gram वगैरह whatever, छोटू सा. Couple of days ago, guess what headline I read?
Go ahead.
3,000 kilograms of heroin. 3,000 kilograms of heroin found on a boat at a port in Gujarat.
Owned by Adani.
Yes. Again, pixelation comes into
so many rich surnames there.
so many rich surnames. And it was, I think, the Mundra
Japt
airport,
kiya,
either, where the people, they were just checking.
हाँ.
And imagine the shock of it. Now, just like try to imagine the scenario. There's containers, a ship, container ship, all different containers, containers. And you find it in one. And you're
Random checking है dude.
like,
Random checking है ये.
that is also,
This
by
is
the way.
like blackjack.
Yeah. That is true. When it comes to checking also, the sheer volume of containers that is going through any given port
Yeah.
is so much that it is physically impossible
हाँ.
to check everything and in a timely manner release the container out.
हाँ.
So they have to just randomly like इसमें
हाँ
मिलेगा
ठीक
क्या,
है
इसमें
बाकी
मिलेगा
सब
क्या.
ठीक है yeah.
And on this ship, 3,000 kilograms means they just opened one container. They are, अरे drugs है. अच्छा बाकी का भी देख. Second, अरे same drugs है. Third, अरे so the whole
I'm on
ship,
a hot streak bro.
the whole ship. The scale of 3,000 kilograms, is that how many tons is?
So 100 kilos is a ton I think.
Oh damn.
So
dude.
that's
Don't
dude
even
3,000
do
kg
the
is enough
math.
dude. It's
But you know what was the
Imagine-
valuation?
हाँ.
The valuation of this
Mhm.
is 20,000 crores.
That is one good scam.
20,000
No, it's more
crores.
than one good scam.
Wasn't 20,000 crores the amount of money
PM
that
cares?
has? Yes.
This was PM cares dude.
Yes. PM Cares Fund. So that was the fund which we created to take care of a country
Yeah.
in a pandemic. That was
That was-
20,000 crores. And then this one stash of heroin.
See,
का value is enough to take care of a country in a pandemic.
see, drugs are the answer to so many things.
So many things.
It's so weird.
Why are we doing anything?
If you-
Let's only make heroin.
This is what motivational speakers and all say. If you want to grow, look into the darkness. Go into the worst possible places.
Do the things that others are not ready to.
Who are things that make you uncomfortable, like needles.
Get outside your comfort zone. Say yes to things that you would say no to.
Oh gosh, dude! Imagine, and I live near a highway, and there are containers always passing.
Which one of it is carrying what? Who knows?
What kind of illegal stuff is just going?
Going. A container does exactly what it says,
Yeah.
what it implies.
Contains.
Contains.
कुछ बाहर नहीं जाएगा.
Illegal immigrant रहने दे, Mexican लोग ऐसा छुप के मेक्सिको से जा रहे, अरे कंटेनर में है.
Oh, dude! Imagine there are like
Heroin
kids.
container
I
में.
remember, friends और neighbors and all, उनका वो लोग बच्चे लोग को लेके हाईवे के पास खड़ा रहता है, बोलते हैं पापा उसमें क्या जा रहा है, उसमें क्या? And they're all like उसमें सामान जा रहा है बेटा, उसमें ये जा रहा है, like
उसमें
I feel
खिलौना
like
जा रहा है बेटा.
उसमें लड़की लोग जा रहे हैं, उसमें कोकेन, उसमें हेरोइन.
दोनों का options बहुत अलग है. I have seen enough movies to know what all can go in a container.
Yeah.
I have seen everything from Jackie Chan to cocaine in a container. I have seen antiques to exotic animals in a container.
To cash.
Anything
नकली
can be
नोट.
contained. हाँ,
दारू.
cash, diamond,
Yeah, diamond.
बंदूक, nuclear weapon, सब कुछ कंटेनर में ही जाता है. It's like it's such an obvious thing, na. As a Hollywood movie plot hole, if you see, if you just remove containers,
सब
no
है.
crime can happen.
No.
no crime can happen.
Because you need logistics is the mother of crime.
That means
हाँ.
the better job
हाँ.
is to make containers.
Yeah. He who in the world of crime.
Yeah.
He who sells containers.
Yeah.
Is the richest.
Is the richest.
नेकी कर दरिया में डाल, क्राइम कर कंटेनर में डाल. वही है.
And they have apprehended a few people, but of course, if it is 3,000 kilograms,
या
it's
अकेला
a big.
उठाया नहीं टूट.
Exactly. ऐसा मतलब कोई तो ऐसा कबाड़ी वाला, हाँ सर मैं दिया था पैसा, किसके लिए? 3,000 किलोग्राम हेरोइन. अरे तू लेकिन ये करता है ना कबाड़ी वगैरह. हाँ सर मगर स्विच कर दिया जॉब, पहला कबाड़ी का करता था, अभी इसका वजन ही है सर. ये था ही मेरे पास सब कुछ ऑलरेडी, वजन काटा सब कुछ आता है मेरे को सर. It would be a huge drug nexus ring.
Yeah, of
3,000 kilograms, it's a pyramid. There's a boss, there's suppliers, different suppliers. It breaks down, probably goes, because we are in that golden triangle also, na?
No, we are flanked by golden triangle on this side, which is Myanmar, Laos and Thailand.
Yeah.
And golden crescent,
Yeah.
which is Afghanistan, Iran and I think Pakistan or one more
Yeah.
country, I don't know.
Very politically correct naming, huh?
Naming,
Triangle and
Golden
crescent.
triangle, golden crescent.
All Muslim countries, so
Crescent.
you have a Chand, crescent moon.
हाँ. और ये लोग triangle.
And
ये अच्छा है.
for the society to keep on telling drugs are bad,
हाँ.
golden क्यों बुला रहे फिर?
हाँ ये
उधर तो ये हो गया ना.
makes you wonder why was India called सोने की चिड़िया थे.
हाँ अरे
I think it was the bhang.
was
the
that
bhang.
the case? Oh my god. But of course ships will be used to transport drugs because it's the most widest mode of transportation.
Yeah. All export and all maximum happens through ship.
Through ships only. You know, most of the trade happens from that. And if you go to see Cambodia, Laos, that whole area, that has a lot of tourism, beach tourism.
Yeah.
People go chill,
हाँ,
get their mind.
पूरा मस्त गोवा टाइप प्लेस है वो.
And here you have the suppliers,
हाँ.
know who make it.
हाँ.
Now, how is this connection happening? What is this case? Who all are involved? Why that port? Is there something to see over there? ये सब सवाल छोड़ के
आर्यन खान क्यों ड्रग्स कर रहा है? आर्यन खान ड्रग्स कैसा कर सकता है?
3,000 किलोग्राम,
हाँ.
6 ग्राम. If 6 grams is the problem, I think the whole of Bandra, Khar, colleges, hostels,
Oh God.
a lot of places,
हाँ.
people will just be like, "Arey, I'm not a bad person, dude. I also did the same thing." Like, what do you mean? And it would be such a terrible situation. He's so famous.
Yeah.
Even if it was a small quantity, now what if the cops and the jurisdiction is under pressure कि अरे we can't let him go quickly
हाँ.
because then it will look like we are
हाँ. taken money or
so
we are
imagine if technically this is still like a bailable thing कि हाँ इतना ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं तुम लोग निकल के जा सकता है but under pressure they are like अरे अभी दिखाया कि छोड़ दिया तो फिर अपने को ही गाली मिलेगा.
Now like the movie is becoming more and more intense.
Yeah.
So like it has to be amped up. So we also have to look like Singham.
Yeah.
the cops.
We also did a little bit.
Yeah.
That's why we can't let him go. He's been remanded till the 7th of October.
Shit.
So he'll spend a couple of days, and the problem is the prosecution has said we want to investigate their WhatsApp messages further because we have found some messages to be incriminating. So now they are going on WhatsApp groups of their friends.
Shit.
And tell me honestly, Noel,
It's
WhatsApp groups, are they a very accurate representation of who you are as a person?
It's who you are as a person from moment to moment.
मेरा दोस्त लोग के साथ अगर WhatsApp ग्रुप देखेगा
नहीं
इतना गाली दिया है, क्या क्या बोला है एक दूसरे को, क्या क्या बोला है on the basis of standard decency also because that's the way we talk.
तू लोगों को बोला मादर चोद तू ये है तू वो है तेरी माँ ऐसी है तेरा बाप तू पैदा क्यों हुआ that kind of shit we tell people dude.
And then in a court setting if you read out those messages of course they will sound horrible.
It's चल मेरा set तू बता दे.
And now he said over here, Aryan Khan mentioned, dude, I just want to forget everything and just chill, you know, and forget everything, you know, what an escapist elitist. How can he even like, did you forget this also? You asked for it. No, I just wanted
breakup हो गया था dude, मैं क्या करूँ? तेरे को नहीं लगता है
having a bad week, bro. Speaking about conspiracies, we love conspiracies, right? But we don't like the correct sort of conspiracies.
Like correct sort of elaborate.
For example, if it is a conspiracy with some proof, we are not paying it that much of attention. But if it's like a golden egg conspiracy, कि अरे इधर कुछ तो ऐसा है.
Because then my creativity is not put to use.
Exactly.
Then I can't.
Exactly.
How do I put myself here?
Yeah. You feel conspiratorial. When like, you discuss.
I cracked this. देखो वाला.
मेरे को क्या लगता है मालूम है.
It actually feels like a Netflix show then. Because you are trying to predict the ending.
Yeah, you're trying to predict the ending. But then there are some conspiracies which all of us sort of know and then they come true. Like all of us in the sense, people generally have conspiracies about rich people. Correct? The fact that when it comes to money and power, we know people don't like to share it. Both. Money also
says,
and power also. No, we don't like to share it. We like to hide it, keep what we have, not give it out. And a lot of rich people have been known to evade taxes. A lot of companies do. Amazon, Google.
Zero tax Amazon.
Because they end up having their head office in Ireland or some other country like that, which is a tax haven. Where you can register your company and you're not meant to pay
tax.
Now, something along the lines of Panama Papers had come out. You remember? Couple of...
Yes. Panama Papers was huge.
It was a huge conspiracy thing which turned out to be true with a lot of evidence. It was a collection of names of very rich people who were trying to evade taxes. They were trying to not pay taxes by keeping most of their money
in Panama.
And invested in different places, shell companies ka use karke वगैरह. And it blew up, it got some steam, it got some media coverage, but it fizzled out with time. You know, it fizzled out with time. A lot of people were named. Amitabh Bachchan was named. A lot of other powerful people across the globe. Actors, all of them were named. Now, something along those lines or even bigger in scale has come out. And they have just gone with the name Pandora's Box. Pandora is the name of that Greek tragedy, you know, where Zeus says, if you open this box, it's the end of the world.
And she opened the box.
And this investigation has been brought out by an international group of journalists.
ICIJ.
Who are driven by a sense of idealism that how powerful the rich people are, we are the accountability factor for it.
They're
We will look
basically
into तुम लोग
मैं
का
तेरे को
क्या.
तेरे को बता दे क्या हो रहा है
हाँ,
actually.
that
Like
is
that
who they are.
voice.
अरे तेरे को मालूम है
तेरे को
लोग
मालूम है
कैसा
क्या? How dare they यार?
किधर किधर छुपा
They are
रहा
that
है.
guy on the flight who complains and who's right. Like
हाँ.
righteously complains.
कि एक तो लेट करा रहा है, क्यों लेट करा रहा है, मालूम है ऐसा ऐसा. They came out with news that this is the case that millions of papers we have found out, and it shows a lot of information about really influential people
all around the globe.
Yeah.
They just distributed to each country. ये तुम्हारा लिस्ट है, ये तुम्हारा लिस्ट है, ये तो करो.
ये सब तुम्हारा इधर का जो अमीर लोग जो पैसा नहीं दिया ना, या फिर पैसा छुपाया, डिक्लेयर नहीं किया, ये सब ये लोग का है. मजा करो अभी.
हाँ हाँ. अभी तुम पे है.
रॉबिनहुड बनो.
रॉबिनहुड बनो.
अभी रॉबिनहुड बनो. ले लो.
अमीर लोग से ले लो प्लीज. क्योंकि
couple of influential people.
Yeah.
Sportsmen.
One is a god.
One is a god.
God.
God has been.
Yeah,
God of
God
cricket.
has been found not giving money to government.
Yeah. And a couple of other industrial. Nirav Modi apparently has been mentioned. You know, the guy who we already know has taken money from the bank.
Yeah. Now you know where the money is at least. Now you know where it is.
And अपना इधर the Indian Express is doing this in correlation with
ये दिया है ना,
papers दिया है to go ahead and do the Indian part of the investigation, to go ahead and disseminate it, distribute it in the public, in the country, ऐसा करे. And it's spiraling. Now the question is, do you think it will fizzle out as well?
See, the thing is,
you're
it's a
talking
list.
about money.
It's a list of people.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's a list of people who may be in favor with government and not in favor with government. So I think that's where the line will be. You'll have some names that will come and you'll be like, मालूम था ये पकड़ा जाता था.
Like people who have powerful connections will find a way around it somehow. It will be expunged or an explanation will be...
Here, even if corruption happens to pay someone to make sure your name is not coming and all, it's very difficult to negotiate a good enough number because they know how much money you are hiding already.
Exactly.
अरे क्या सर क्या 2 करोड़ दे रहे हो यार, मालूम है 1000 करोड़ का पड़ा हुआ है, at least 150.
Might even go ahead and say, sir आप होटल में 10% तो टिप देते हो ना, क्या कर रहे हो? 10% होटल का एक कैलकुलेशन इधर लगाओ सर, क्या कर रहे हो आप?
क्यों कर रहे हैं ऐसा? हमारा भी समझो. And
it will happen. And then there will be names who do not agree with the people in power that way. They might face the consequences.
And they'll be like, see, we caught them. These people were robbing. These are not patriots.
But that's the thing, dude. That's the thing about money. Money is so powerful, Noel, that we can have anything. Any, like, यारे कैसा क्या सच्चाई हमें चाहिए, सच्चाई क्या है? But that is why, see, the bigger the note, the higher the value. 500, 1000, 2000. It's bigger so that it's easier to hide everything, you know, under it. The more notes you have, the more corruption वगैरह you will be able to hide. You know, कि ये tax evasion हुआ है, ये हुआ है. Money is so powerful that it wouldn't really, like मतलब वो ऐसा tickle होएगा rich लोग, tickle होएगा, but it won't be like a stab. It won't actually have the impact that you're expecting it to.
Yeah, you've said it's Pandora, but it will be like Fuski bomb or something. Like that is where it will go. I mean, and
like, see, Amitabh's name has come up in Panama Papers, but that doesn't mean Amitabh will ever ask a question in KBC. That which Bollywood actor?
In fact, now most of these people will be like, हाँ तभी तो KBC में इतना पैसा बांट रहे हो. Like most of India will just be like, अरे लोगों को बांट तो रहा है, अच्छा तो कर रहे हो. Government को नहीं दिया, अच्छा हुआ नहीं दिया. मेरे
that is also another thing. That is also another thing. When it comes to India and the international conglomerate of journalists saying they are evading your taxes, you know. And the people are being told, get angry. This is not right. Only you're paying taxes. They are not you know what the people's reaction would be? If we could hide it, even we would.
Yeah.
We don't have an option but to pay taxes
Yeah.
because we are small fish. So otherwise,
Oh, and the thing is, even if they pay taxes, that's another black money person. That's another guy who's hiding
black money. Exactly.
दोनों side पे वही है.
अगर मैं मतलब if you tell like a rich person why did you not pay, he would be like, अच्छा तो मैं इसको दूं और फिर ये क्या करेगा, ये खुद के पास रखेगा. ऐसा
तो मैं
नहीं.
डायरेक्ट मेरा ब्लैक मनी का बैंक अकाउंट से उसका ब्लैक मनी का बैंक अकाउंट में डाल देता हूँ. मेरे को डिस्काउंट पॉइंट्स मिलेगा मेरे को.
मिडल मैन क्यों चाहिए?
क्यों मांगता है वो? इनफैक्ट वन ऑफ द पीपल whose name has come out is Anil Ambani.
Yeah.
And I think a year ago or something he declared bankruptcy.
Yeah. First of all, if you have the surname Ambani, you cannot seriously go into a court and say मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. Nobody is going to believe it.
ए चल्ला
रे क्या रे?
चल्ला.
अरे दूसरे खिस्से में देगा. दूसरे पॉकेट में रहेगा देख.
ए किसने बटवा मारा सर का?
Nobody is going to believe.
But like that's just like I know people who are poor and who pretend to be rich, and then there is Ambani who's a rich
pretending to be poor.
it just shows you that no matter how rich you go, the feeling that someone will take away your money is always going to be there.
People are spending whatever to buy first copies of things to look rich.
हाँ.
You know कि thrift shop से वर्साचे का टी-शर्ट या फिर इधर से ये उठाया और फिर first copy कुछ तो पहना कि अरे वाह to look rich and all. And then there is somebody who's wearing like a tailored suit and telling sorry
पैसा नहीं है सर.
नहीं दे पाएगा.
Sorry.
And even then the UK bank,
सूट में ड्राई क्लीन नहीं किया है.
sorry, the UK court had ordered Anil Ambani to pay 3 Chinese banks.
Oh.
And he still hasn't paid them.
I salute the guy for fucking over the Chinese.
he chose the right opponent. Because here the Indian government is okay.
Don't pay. Oh fuck, dude. Chinese, fuck the Chinese.
They are taking over everything, I'm telling you. But the
they
money.
try to invest in LIC, you know what?
What?
They try to invest in Chinese people.
Like they just got an LIC ad and Jeevan Sathi, even I want. Oh my god, imagine if that was the case.
Oh fuck.
I have always invested in LIC and suddenly a Chinese company buys it. Oh my god, no, it won't be allowed only.
No, they haven't. They've blocked the move. They cock-blocked the Chinese.
Of course, they'll be like, अरे क्या?
नहीं.
हम बेच लेंगे. हम कर लेंगे हमारे में. The LIC agent was like, अरे नहीं. They just sent an LIC agent named Subhash with spectacles and whatnot. नहीं चाहिए. और कुछ नहीं. But damn, man, the amount. You have so much money to hide it and then hide like hundreds of crores, thousands of crores, and to keep it and remember, yes, my money is there, other part of the globe.
So you have so much money that the most logical thing is to stay away from it.
Stay away from it. दिखना नहीं चाहिए. मैं दूर खड़ा रहेगा मेरा पैसा से. मेरे बाजू में नहीं है मेरा पैसा. किधर? मेरे पास किधर?
मेरा तो नहीं है. Like you denying your own money. Like
अरे वो मेरा नहीं है रे, वो मेरा बीवी का है. अरे ऐसा अरे मेरा नहीं है, मेरे पिताजी का नाम में. अरे तेरा ही पिताजी है ना, लेकिन ऐसा थोड़ी. पता चला ऐसा 2-3 चीज ऐसा नाम वाम आया and turns out it's some industrialist का वॉचमैन का नाम.
That guy will just be like, अरे मैं नमक हरामी किया dude. मैं सोता था काम पे, ये इतना मेरे लिए सोचता था.
नहीं